Don't just drive by. You must see this fully updated 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath pool home nestled in the desirable Citrus Hills community. Every inch of this property has been meticulously designed with ease, comfort, and a touch of class in mind. Step through the front door and be greeted by an open, inviting floor plan and large sliding doors that showcase the flawlessly updated pool and outdoor living area. The home features new flooring throughout, plush carpet in the bedrooms, luxury vinyl plank in the main living areas, and durable tile in the kitchen and baths. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring solid wood cabinets, quartz-granite countertops, and plenty of space for cooking and gathering. Perfect for entertaining, the split floor plan allows guests or family their own private retreat while keeping the primary suite peaceful and separate. Outside, enjoy nearly an acre of land offering endless possibilities for gardening, outdoor fun, or even adding a workshop or play area. This home truly has its all-style, space, and serenity. Ask for a complete list of updates and schedule your private showing today.